how to refund games on Steam. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to refund games on Steam. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Steam app on your laptop or PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, start by clicking on Steam at the top of the app and then open Settings. After that, go to Account Details. You can also get here by clicking on your Steam profile in the top corner and selecting Account Details. As I haven't purchased any game yet, so I won't be able to get a refund, but I'll tell you what are next steps. So then, click on View Purchase History near your wallet balance. Select the game you want to refund and choose the I would like a refund option. Click on I'd like to request a refund. Next, you'll see details about the refund, including the amount and whether it's going to your Steam wallet. You can also select a reason for the refund, such as it's not fun, or provide additional details in the notes box if needed. Finally, click the Submit Request button. Remember, to be eligible, you must have owned the game for less than 14 days and played it for less than 2 hours. So that's basically how you can refund games on Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.